Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be unboxing this shiny Tapu Koko GX box. I did buy it at Target. It was 20% off and it was only $16, so yeah. And it does bring 4 booster packs, 1 Sun and Moon Guardians Rising, 2, an X and Y Steam Siege, and a Sun and Moon base, and just a normal card, and then the big giant card. So let's get right to it. Let's be careful because I want to save the pack. And y'all let me know what future videos I should do or open up, or specific packs I should open up in the comments down below. You know what, I don't really care anymore. And I will show you the card right now. Let me get it out of the package. So here's the Tapu Koko GX right there. Let me adjust the light like that. And then, as I said, there's 2 Guardians Rising, Steam Siege, and here's the code card for you guys right there. And then Sun and Moon base. And here is the giant Tapu Koko. Let's put it right there. If it stands up, there you go. And today we'll be opening up Steam Siege first, and then let's do a sandwich like last video. And of course, dude, I got a green code from Steam Siege because I don't like that set. And we just got a regular rare. Yep, as expected. Now we got a Guardians Rising with the Tapu Koko pack art. And we did get a white code. So there's the code card for you guys right there. 2, 3, 4 to the front. Let's see what we get, guys. We got a Steel Energy Recycler, Tentacle, Choice Brand, and Pacham, Alolan Vulpix, Chansey, Petilil, Trubbish, Oricori, and then a minor holographic. Not bad. And then we got a Sun and Moon base. And we did get a green code, so there's nothing gonna be in here. So Jake, okay. Should we do the pack card? Yeah, let's do it. Just for the fun of it. We got a Dark Energy, Golbat, Trumbeak, Potion, Pikipek, Carvanha, Togedemaru, Chinchou. Chinchou? Did I say that right? What the freak? And then we got a I don't even know, Cutie Fly, and it's in a regular rare. We got our last pack in this video. But before we open it up, I want y'all to drop a like on this video and support my channel because I just started out, and that would really mean a lot if y'all subscribe and share this video on social media, And let's get right to it. And we got a green code, so yep, not good. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Oh, did I do that wrong? No, I don't think so. We got a Sliggoo, Beware. I don't even know. A Steel Energy, Litwick, Pacham, Snorunt, Castform, Vanillity, Groomy, and a Rayquaza, one of my favorite Pokemon out there. So yeah, that's pretty interesting. And you guys, I'm gonna be opening up one more that I bought on the side, and it's Cosmic Eclipse. So let's see what we got in here. Oh, Actually, before we do, just please drop a like. Sorry, I don't like saying it a lot, but like, just please drop a like. That would really mean a lot. I'm trying to get 100 subscribers, and it would really mean a lot. Yeah, we got a drink. And there's a code card for you guys right there. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. And let's get right to it. We got a Leaf Energy, Tokidamaru, Great Catcher, Probopass, Palpitoad, Jang Mo-O, Deerling, Goleb, Deep Piter, Polisan, and he got a Slurpuff. Slurpuff? Yeah, Slurpuff. So, the recap for you guys, it's just minor holographic. And we got oh, sorry about that. And we got the shiny Tapu Koko GX. So, if y'all really did enjoy this video, please smash that like button and share this on your social media. Today we just got bulk and 1 holographic, and then just that promo card. And if we get this video to 15 likes, yeah, 15 likes, I will, in a future video, I would buy a booster box and open it up for y'all. And yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed, and I hope y'all like the video, comment, subscribe, share, y'all, all that stuff. And bye-bye.